Hey, Mr. Ranger Dog, can we get the day started? Let's go. Come on. Wow, it's a beautiful morning. Happy super duper happy Tuesday. 2 for Tuesday. Hope all is well, swell, and totally hip and groovy. Totally hip and groovy in your neck of the woods. Mr. Ranger Dog and I are on our way bright and early, heading to work, pick up Brother James. Sometimes I do these before I go pick up Brother James. Sometimes I do this when I pick up Brother James. It's whenever the moment strikes me. So yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful sunrise this morning. Beautiful, beautiful. Out here in the country. Peachy, peachy sunrise. You know, moving through the country. Gonna eat a lot of peaches. So, without further ado, Mr. Ranger Dog and I gonna get this most groovy, excellent 2 for Tuesday started. All right. Just got off work. Worked a little on the late side, just about 25 minutes late. It's all right. A few extra dollars in the pocket.
Never hurts.
No, it never does. Never does. So, on our way to take Brother James home, and then Mr. Ranger Dog and I be back at the old VW bus shortly. So we'll see you beautiful people when we get there. Friends, Mr. Ranger Dog and I made it back to the old VW bus. I'm having my dinner. Mr. Ranger Dog already had his dinner, but I'm sure he's going to have a little bit of my dinner too. So, until I see you beautiful people in the morning for some kind coffee talk from the old VW bus. Love one another. Be kind and groovy to one another. Be grateful for every single moment of the day, because you just never know when those moments will change, huh, Mr. Ranger? Nah, he's doing his Ranger thing. Peace, love, and Volkswagen grease.